Hi, welcome back to another video. Today's topic is 10 lines about land restoration in English. So it is very simple. Let's start the video. Land restoration means bringing back damaged land to a better condition. It is like healing the earth when it's hurt by pollution or other problems. We plant trees, protect soil, and help animals to make the land healthy again. Biodiversity, that's having lots of different plants and animals, is important for land restoration. By restoring land, we can also fight climate change and make our planet happier. Reforestation, that's planting more trees, is a cool way to restore land. When we care for the land, it cares for us by giving clean water and food. Ecosystem services like cleaning the air are like gifts from the land. So let's be earth heroes and restore our beautiful home. Remember, every small action counts. So hope you like this video guys. Please do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.